Use avocado seed to fight cellulite. Summer is over and come home with a few extra kilos, because you skipped the discipline you impose the rest of the year. Is not that the purpose of the holiday? However, when you arrive, you realize that, besides having gained weight, have cellulite. So you assails the question, what do I do to get rid of it? You have a variety of anti-cellulite products at your disposal. Most of them are expensive and also know a lot of people who told you that do not provide the results they promise. Moreover, you do not like the idea of subjecting your body to the absorption of artificial chemical or adulterated substances. In fact, many popular brands have them removed creams and gels for the presence of toxic elements that, at the time, not considered as such. Therefore, it is best to use the avocado seed to combat cellulite, along with a balanced diet and proper hydration. Why use the avocado seed to fight cellulite? The so-called orange peel occurs by the accumulation of water in poor circulation. However, the usual lotions do not act to prevent fluid retention and improve circulation, but cause inflammation in the skin that helps you pretend you have a smooth skin. Instead, avocado seed stimulates lipolysis and circulation. Lipolysis is the digestive process in which fat is broken. Meanwhile, the microcirculation is the transport of nutrients from nutrient, while harmful cells are suppressed. Therefore, the avocado seed goes straight to the root of the problem. With it, you will make your own exfoliant, guaranteed to be using natural ingredients. Therefore, the side effects are void, apart from being a very economical solution. How exfoliant prepared with avocado seed? You will be surprised how easy it is to develop this natural remedy. Ingredients: 4 avocado bones, 4 tablespoons olive oil, almond or sunflower oil, 60 g. Preparation step by step. Chop into small pieces avocado seeds or olives. Pour the grated or chopped in a glass jar as dry. This is important, since water would damage the mixture. Add the oil and mix until you have the look of a paste. When you reach the desired texture, keep prepared in a closed, dark place for 4 days. After the indicated time, put it in the fridge, otherwise, start to rust appear. How to apply? As often happens with this type of product, it must be done after the shower. The reason is that, due to hot water, the pores are more open and thus the more easily penetrates exfoliating. It is best to apply a circular massage direction handles watch. Rub for 10 minutes. Other uses of the avocado. The use of avocado seed to combat cellulite is just one of the many facets of this fruit. You can also use your flesh for the following purposes. Mask for the skin. This is a fruit rich in fatty acids, vitamins and minerals that generate a twinkle in complexion. If you want to intensify their effect, we recommend that you add honey, yeast, or yogurt. Anti-inflammatory gel for cervical. Salicylic acids and vitamin E not only will lessen the pain, but that will alleviate their cause. Best of all is that it does not harm your body in any case, as with acetaminophen or ibuprofen. Remember that even stomach protectors have side effects on your body. The best ingredient for lowering cholesterol. When you include in your recipes, you're taking care of your health. Because of its nutritional value, you can counteract the substances that cause the rise in blood cholesterol. Take it as a complement to your treatment, or prevention element. Did you know that this food has so many qualities? You prove our recipe with avocado seed to fight cellulite? We guarantee that you will help fight these encapsulations so unsightly skin at an incredible price. Also, your meat will also